Kaya nagpunta dito yung aking pinsan at nagpunta na kami, pero we-miss na kaming dalawa. Ayan, kaya we have a date. May kami kumain ng mga fish isda. And every year lang naman ito sa Ayu. Ayan, punta kami dito sa Taniguni. Ayan, for our lunch date. Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe kay Auntie Marga, please hit the bell para lagi po kayong notified sa akin mga iba vlog. Ayan, thank you so much. And sa lahat po ng nasa premiere, thank you so much. And sa lahat po ng super chat, kontoniro, arigatou gozaimashita. And thank you so much for the love and support always kay Auntie Marga. Ayan. Ayan, punta na kami. Medyo malayo siya. Siguro mga 30 minutes. Mga 30 minutes here from our home. This is province talaga dito sa amin. Diba? Ang ganda ng weather. At ang daan, paes. Ayan guys, we use our navigation. Ayan. Please turn left. Ayan, yung aming navigation is talagang sinadya yan ng aking jowa for English. Ayan, English navigation. Ayan. Turn left.
Proceed about 3 kilometers. Turn left.
3 kilometers and turn left. Oh my God. Ano yan ang bubo? Diyos ko, S naman ito. Yama. We're here in Yama. Ingat ka naman. Ingat ka, jowa, please, ha? Hindi ko kaya mag-drive dito na mag-isa. Lalo na sa gabi. Oh my God. Ayan. Talaga nag-shortcut kami. Hindi ko kaya dito mag-drive. Nakarating di kami sa pupuntahan. Malapit na. Tulog pa din.
Proceed about 2 kilometers. Make a sharp left turn.
What did you say? My navigation is very very maingay like me. Yan na yun.
In 300 meters, turn right. In 300 meters, turn right.
Okay, it's very near na. Turn right, 300 kilometers. Puno na di itan. Saan ko tanay?
Please turn right. Please pay attention to all traffic regulations and in left.
어느 정도 이해하래.
Ikaw na di. Dito rin tayo pumunta eh. O na di tayo. Ngayon lang medyo high tide. City Forest Village. Ayan. Kaso mo close sila ngayon. Last year, nagpunta kami dito, open ito. Kasama ko yung pinsan ko. Ayan. Ganda niya. Sarap dito kumain. No? Mag-ayu. Ito. Diba? Kaya lang today is close. City Forest Village. Close sila today. Ayan, pasyal lang tayo. Ayan, ang ganda. Ganda ng view. Dito kami sa may Tanibin. Kakain kami ng ayu. Yan, dyan po sa Omise. Sa Omise na yan po kami kakain ng ayu. So, punta pa po nila. Yung yatiro pa sila. 11 po ang start po. Guys, last year po, nandito rin kami. Kasama ko yung pinsan ko. Kumain kami dito. Ano na naman ako ni Joe? Kami kakain. Guys. Ganda na yun. Ganda ng house. Anthony ko? Ayan, magkatampisaw muna kami sa casa. Masyadong mabato. Masyadong mabato. Ha? Really? Wow. Why? Kasi mo nakakapat naman yung bato-bato. Ang bumili ng panghilod. Kaya ako ng panghilod. Ayan guys. Sobrang ganda. Ako, delikado dito. Wayo. Paano sa akin pag sumakang ng paa ko hindi ako makapasok. Ang lamig. Grabe. Ito na lang. Kasi nakakatakot eh. Oh. Baka mamaya abang yun ako doon mag-swimming. Ah! Ayan guys. Todo na to. Ayan. Kung kailan naman patapos na ang summer. Andito kami ni Jowa. Diba? Tubig-tubig lang. Ano rin yung ano rin.
my heart. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. You were out until midnight, yeah. I said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you're in my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know.
いただいてるものを2つずつお持ちしたらいいですか？
そう
あ、わかりました。で、雑炊と塩焼きとカレーを2つずつ。
It's amazing at the same time how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo.
すいません。追加で注文で南蛮漬けを。
生漬け、はい、わかりました。
Until it's taking over my body, it feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kind of nervous,
追加で注文で
together we'll be
南蛮
strong.
漬けを。
生漬け、はい、わかりました。
Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining.
Ayan, nakatapos na kami mag-lunch. Ayan, mag-ano naman kami. Kakikori for dessert. Ayan. Ganda dito guys, if you want to go here. Ayan. Ambon kami. Kasi hindi naman siya mahilig. Ako lang naman since ito mga halo-halo. Charot. Tapos na kami nag-lunch, kaya ayan, malapit lang yung river, kaya papasyal na kami. Thank you so much for watching. Ayan, this is your Auntie Mario Vlog. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga nagpunta ng premiere ko, thank you so much. At sa lahat ng aking mga member, Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. じゃあね。
know for sure all I